Guys, this is Fun Automotive, and this is a video of me just doing some off-roading and showing you guys what it can do with a 5-inch lift on the 33.5-inch tires. So this is it right here. I'm up this ledge. I think my hitch may be touching the ground. Let's check that out right now. All right, let's see. No, it's actually not. Got about a foot. That's it right here. Yeah, let me see. And then let's see over here. Not too shabby. That's all it was. Just a ledge. And then I just decided to crawl it. And tell me what you guys think, because I think this looks good. I'm up on a hill right now. I don't know how well you could see down there. I can't really tell. Shows you guys. It's been blocked off over here. That's Olive Bridge right there. The next one's Northern. The Northern Bridge is the one I crossed. It's a very beautiful day today. That's the hill I went up right there. Alright, well. Just found a Chevelle 2-door out here, sinking in the wash. You can kind of see it from there. Still got the seat frame and all that. Chevelle. Probably been out here for many years. Let me go around and show you. It's got orange paint. Yeah, if there's no axles or anything, they probably took the engine too. I'm sure.
Or there's a shock sticking out. Yeah, I can't tell. The front's too buried.
Yeah, the torsion bar is still there.
In front of the frame, and if the motor's down there, it's buried. It would be right.
It's very possible, yeah.
What is it?
Pushing it. That flows through here.
The frame goes way down in here. The last time I saw this car, you couldn't even see this right here. It was so buried. See that? So you can see it in the very back.
Just the back.
Yeah.
So must have been up here.
Yep. It unburied. It was out there for a long time because it was buried at one point. Now it's getting unburied again.
Yeah.
And it slid. You can see how much from the water it pulled it. The last time it flooded in here, which wasn't very long ago, only about a year ago. It was when I first got that winch. I came over here and hooked the winch to it, and just this back part was sticking out. You couldn't even tell if it was a whole car or not, but I know it was.
Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah, it could have been in there 20, 30 years.
All right, you guys. If you guys really like this video with the 5-inch lift and the 33.5s, and with the things I've done, I tried to do everything. Everybody wants me to like do mud, and out here all they have is hills and sand. That's all they have. I'm gonna have to come one of these days when it's raining and it's pretty muddy. We'll be able to tell exactly if this thing could do the mud. But I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. So if you can, please like, please subscribe, and don't forget to add the group on Facebook, Jeep Liberty KJ fans, on the Facebook group. So I'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.